Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely disassemble all of your BOSCH oven for a deep cleaning. What we're going to do is we're going to completely remove the front door, we're going to take off the glass and obviously like all of these metallic things so that you can make sure to clean them off as well. It's going to be a pretty quick job, so I guess just let's get started. And to remove the doors you actually don't need much. I'm just going to have the screwdriver, and see, like, these are the things, the parts where the door is actually holding to the oven, right? It's on one side and on the second side as well. And what you might think is that, okay, so I need to probably pull out this side, which is not true. See, there's like this little thingy here, see, this moving part. And this is the only thing that you actually need to release. So you need to push it like a bit of down. That's it. That's all the way it goes. Like, done. Then do the same on the other side. There we go again. Just this little tiny thing on the top. Let me focus. Done. This is the only thing which is holding the front door to the oven itself. And when those two thingies are released, you just grab the door with both hands. It's not too heavy, but it also, like, well, you don't want to drop it because it's a glass. And just pull on yourself. And there you go. The front cover is in your hands, but don't worry, we're gonna go further. We're gonna also remove the glass itself. Next thing that we need to do, we need to remove the plastic cover, which is on top here, like all of this part, which will give us an access to the screws so that we can remove the whole glass. And again, super careful, make sure to not drop it. Here, see, it has like these thingies that you just need to press and pull up. It's that easy. Let me try to show you. So we're just pressing here and pulling it up. That's it. Same story on the other side. Let me move this up a bit. There we go. Press and pull it up. So when the cover is removed, you can put that aside. Of course, you can do also the cleaning here. But basically why we removed it is just to gain access to these screws. There's two of them. It's on the side of the handle. Here's the handle. Here's the screw. And there's the same one on the other side here, right? It's going to be very easy to remove them, and the only thing that we're going to need is, again, screwdriver, and just unscrew it on this side. Again, it's very easy. Put it somewhere away, obviously don't lose it, and do the same work on the other side. When you have done that, the only thing that you need to do, you need to pull up the glass here. It's gonna be a little bit, it might be a little bit tricky, but yeah, so this is the trickiest part, to remove the glass itself. So we unscrew these things, and it's not holding on anything on this side of the glass. Where it is holding is the other side. See here. See here, like these, let me put it down. Like this is the part where the glass is actually holding, but there are no screws, nothing, it just plugs on to the other cover of the glass. So you just need to pull it off like this, right? It's fairly easy, but again, not enough times to remind you. You have to be super careful. If you're gonna drop it, most likely you're gonna break the glass, which is gonna be the disaster. So this is where it got us now. We have the front glass, we have the top cover of the glass, and we have the inside of the glass, so you can clean everything properly and do the real deep cleaning. This stuff, probably already know, just take it out. And as far as it goes for the side stuffs, oh, it's basically also just apply a little bit of the force and it should come out. There we go. And same on the other side. Done.